Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You see the Google item, now act. First, confirm whether it is a widget, a browser shortcut, or the Google app icon on Android or iPhone. Once done, unlock the phone and go straight to that home screen. Long press the Google item until a contextual menu or drag handles appear. This opens the exact controls you need to remove it. Make sure to note whether the option says remove from home or uninstall, because those do different things. Now decide, remove versus uninstall. If it's a widget, drag it to the remove/X area or tap remove. This clears the home but keeps the app. If it's an icon, choose remove from home to preserve the app in your app drawer. Only choose uninstall if you want the app deleted. If you see app info, tap it to access storage, permissions, or uninstall updates. Make these choices deliberately, because remove is reversible while uninstall is more permanent. Finish by confirming the change. Swipe through home screens and open the app drawer to verify the Google app remains installed or that the widget is gone. If you want it back, long press the app in the drawer and drag it to home, or add the Google widget from widgets. If the item resists removal, go to Settings, Apps, Google, then disable or uninstall updates. This often restores the remove option. One tip: reboot after changing app settings if the home launcher behaves oddly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.